Okay, he's discussing with somebody. Members of the committee.
Right here. The ones that are here.
Okay. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, flanked by the 37 members of the PDP Zoning Committee for 2022, we have just concluded our meeting after we rose from our meeting last week and decided that today we will meet. And by the grace of God, we have unanimously adopted a position that will be sent to the neck of our party that appointed us. So the good news for our teaming supporters of the PDP and Nigerians is that we have resolve. And every one of us, the 37 members, unanimously adopted the position we are going to present to next. Thank you very much for the interest you have shown. God bless you, and God keep all of us.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.